Let's see what we have here. We're out here at the East Texas Rifle and Pistol Club, and oh, we have a bullseye for Mike and a couple of lower barrels.
Videoing your bulls.
I am. What's wrong? I can video my bullseye. It's a wonderful thing. Oh, and you
now
just
a red eye, blue eye.
You just covered it up.
Sorry.
It'd be all right. Dun dun dun. Yeah, I'm gonna have to join this range.
I wasn't aiming too well, so.
Well, you didn't do bad. These are all yours.
That's the.
Because I should have brought the.
One of the
let me go run
ring.
and get the tape.
Yeah, these kind of got in the way. I just fired 5 rounds, so that's 3 hits.
Well, no, you hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Do what?
Did your nuts get in the way a little bit?
Yeah, well, it's just kind of a little difficult to get. Oh my God!
Oh, wow.
Oh!
We don't call her Miss P for nothing, do we?
No, she'll be on me on that all week.
Well, heck yeah. That's what I would do to my kid if I outshot him, which I always do, but, you know. That's
Okay.
fun.
Some of it today, and tonight has been a whoa.
I know. I see a low one, 2 low ones.
Oh yeah.
He's gotten his arm in the target. Yep.
Well, I got 2.
And the others, we don't know.
One right here. And one there, it looks like. I'm not sure about anything else. No, not bad at all.
I think you shoot 7?
Yeah.
Touched 7.
All of them?
All of
1,
them got
2,
hit.
3, 4, 5. Yeah. Wow. Good job.
You're gonna put that in the video.
I'm gonna put, I'll put that in the video. Heck yeah. Huh. Not bad. But those 4 right there in the triangle, I've got a target out at 100 yards. My video camera can't even really see where it's hitting.
And then the part today we're fine. So it must have just been that box. But for, for just fooling around, it's not that bad.
I guess not.
The jam was, I'm sure, frustrating, but just that.
Ah, now he gets in the seated position.
You must have missed 4. doesn't it?
Well, that's
That's one,
three.
2,
Uh-huh.
3.
Hey, at least it's better than nothing.
That's right.
100 yards.
100 yards is a long way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're hot.
Nobody likes a gloater.
But I love to gloat. She knows that too.
It's true, he does.
She hates telling me I'm right.
No one likes to gloat anymore
Oh, she hates telling me I'm right, but that's...
than Mr. Wiggins.
But kids are never right.
Well, it's hitting the dirt. I don't think that hit.
You
Well.
hit the target.
And Miss P hits the target. Good job.
3 hits at 100 yards. I'm happy.
Our day is complete.
That's right.
Oh, we gotta shoot the Glock some more.
Mike, shoot the Glock if you want. I got some ammo.
I've got 100 rounds in my range bag.